Hey, Waylon?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Welcome back to the garage, everybody. Today we're going to be welding our engine mount onto the frame, do a little bit of grinding, welding, test fitting. Let's go. Howdy, y'all, and welcome to my shop. Join my family and me as we build projects and go on adventures. My name is Waylon, and this is Muddy Turtle Motors. So we got our jack shaft built, and everything looks like it's going to work. It lines up to our drive wheel, and we should have plenty of space to figure out where we're going to put our motor. So next we'll be bolting our motor to our motor mount, and we're going to flip our frame over and we're going to place it in and see how everything lines up and what we need to do next. So we have our engine, just lightly the bolts in there, and we're going to put our engine plate, which is right here. We're going to weld it onto this channel, and this piece of it right here, can you see that? Yeah. This piece that comes across, I'm going to have to trim it right here because our bolts are right underneath it. You can't see that because of the sprocket. Let's slide the sprocket. So, this is the channel we're going to land the front of the engine mount on. We'll weld it to the front, and we're going to notch this here so that we have access to our engine bolts. And then the back, we're sitting crooked right now. I just have this piece of bar in there to help mock it up. We are going to have a piece of iron coming from here all the way across, landing over here. Let's move this up a little bit. Okay, so the iron will come across and it'll land on top of this. We'll have to put a slight spacer to raise it so that the engine is level here. And that's what we'll do. We'll go from here and across. And then weld everything up. Weld it up, bolt it up, and then we'll do final alignment.
Hold up! Turbo says don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, share this video, ring the bell, and hit that like button. Now back to the video.
this is a great stopping point for today. We got the engine mount lined up and welded onto the frame. We have a bracket supporting the mount here, and everything's fully welded and should be rock solid. So now, going forward, all we're gonna have to hopefully all we have to do is bolt the motor onto it, line up the sprocket, start locking things down, lining it up, putting chains on it. And this car is a lot closer to being a running movie vehicle very soon. So, we'll work on that when we come back. Thanks for watching.